Welcome to TechSolveZ. Today I will discuss the share folder issues in Windows 11. We are facing the issues in Windows 11. You don't have permission or network path error. In this video I will work through the 10 real fix that works fast and easy. 10 real fix. Step 1. Both PC to the same network and enable network discovery and sharing. Network to private. Share this folder correctly. Access folder by IP address. Enable assembly protocol optional if your another device is older version like Windows 7, Windows 10. Allow through Windows Firewall. Turn off password protected sharing and some services. Restart. Reset network stack. Let's start the first step. Check the both PC the same network. Just command prompt IP config and another PC. Both are same network 1.16 1.20. Step 1 done. Enable network discovery and sharing. Control panel. If you not want control panel, networks. Network and internet. Advanced sharing and under the private turn on private, not public. The public network, private network, turn discovery and file and print sharing. Step 2 done. Step 3, set network to private. Settings, network and internet, Ethernet, and set it to private, not public. After that, share this folder correctly. This folder properties or show more option properties, sharing, advanced sharing. Share this folder, add permission. Here is everyone. You can allow another user if you have, just add. I have test user. Okay, full control, or also everyone full control. Apply. Okay, apply. And also you can change the NTFS permission from security tab. Add test user, everyone full control. Close. After this, access the folder via IP address. That's my folder. Command R. Just 192.168.1.21. Just test T. Can access. easily can access from my Windows 10. If you still find that you are unable to access the share folder, then you should make the following changes. From 6, enable SMB protocol, control panel, program and features, just small icons, program and features, turn Windows feature on off, scroll down, the SMB 1.0, just click, or you can only click this only CFC client, the all access. Okay, restart now. I'll restart later after the all settings. After that, allow through Windows Firewall. Allow through Windows Firewall. Changes. File and print sharing and network discovery. File and print sharing, if not, just click allow both private and public, and network discovery. See, if not, just click both and okay. After that, turn off password protection. If you want to access without any authentication or without any password, just go to settings, network settings, advanced settings, advanced network settings, advanced sharing centers, advanced sharing settings, public network, all network, password protected sharing, just turn off. After that, restart some services, just Windows RK services.msc function discovery, provided host, manual to automatic, stop, and start. Apply. Okay. After that, function discovery, resource publication, automatic. Apply, start. Okay. SSDP discovery, automatic, apply, stop, start. Okay. UNP device host, automatic, start, apply. Okay. If server, it's automatic running, no need. Workstation, workstation automatic, no need. The all services are starting. If you use Wi-Fi, just some changes need. Finally, reset your network. These settings are needed for DHCP settings. DHCP setting. Here is the screenshot. After that, now your shared folder should be accessible from anywhere, any device in your network. Thanks.